हादसा एकदम नहीं है। ऑनरेबल नसीम अंजुम गिल साहब एडवोकेट सुप्रीम कोर्ट, ऑनरेबल नसीम डैनियल गिल साहब एडवोकेट, इमाम शरीफ भट्टी एडवोकेट, and all the each and every honorable member there. Sorry for not having taken names due to shortage of time. Last night, Chairman Independent Group, Faisal Anwar Bhatti, he contacted with me and he told me for today's meeting. At that time, I asked him that what would be the agenda of the meeting, on which he told me that there is no political agenda and there shall not be anything being discussed about the announcements in the bar. It will be only and purely a get-together. But later on, one of our friends, Mubarak Masih, he came to my place and he informed me that as a matter of fact we want to convey some message to some of the aristocratic elements and we want to show them that where the real strength lies. That is the agenda. Now, while we are going to convey some message to some aristocratic elements, we agree with Naseeb Anjum Saab advocate principally that the announcements in the bar shall be made on the basis of majority of opinion of the club members. That is not only according to the true spirit of the democracy but also in line with the constitution of club. And it has been a long-standing unfortunate fact that certain elements they had been showing utmost aristocracy and they had been making announcements in the bar on their own, deciding those announcements in the drawing rooms without having consulting with the members of the club, which was obviously very unfortunate. So far as the announcements in the bar, principally we agree with Naseeb Anjum Gill Sahab advocate and the decision of this house that the announcement shall be made on the basis of majority opinion. That is a principal stance and we support it. But when the question arises, the unanimous announcements, those are going to be made and those are intended to be made, what will be the body that is making such unanimous announcements? Would it be CLAP or would it be some other group with another name, as my learned friend Arun Ranja Saab said? So certain matters have been discussed in this meeting which were not actually upon the agenda of the meeting. It was purely a get together. I think that it is quite before time that we have indulged in such kind of discussions. I would like to recommend all of you to remain and restrain today's meeting to the extent of getting together, and afterwards the persons on responsible positions in the respective groups, they could sit together and they can find a workable solution. So, but last but not the least, I am with you, sir, that we have to convey a clear message to such elements who had been showing aristocracy. With these words, I conclude my remarks that हम छीन लेंगे तुझसे तेरी शान बेनियाजी, तुम मांगते फिरोगे हमसे गरूर।